installing an axle back exhaust on Cardin's Lexus RC350, making sure the Corvette's brakes work, and going for a ride in this Stage 3 EcoBoost Mustang. Washing Cardin's car after the camping trip now, and look at this. Here's the line for the car wash, all right? No car in this line needs a wash except the Toyota Tacoma. Clean, clean, clean. And we need a wash. Finally back. Cardin washed his car, and his exhaust, his cat back is here. Axle back, sorry. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Oh my goodness.
It is beautiful.
That's artwork.
Beautiful.
Way better than the stock one.
Yep.
Looks way better.
Thank
RCF style.
Yep.
Now no one will know it's not an RCF except your front fender and your rear bit right there. We're about to go to Davin's house. He's gonna install it. Shout out to Davin because he does it basically for like free food. Chipotle. Arrived at Davin's house and look what he has on his A6. This magnet. I need 5 of those right now to put on different cars. Time to make your car an RCF.
Yep.
When you knock my door, please note this home charges $50 a minute to listen to sales pitches and religious messages. The fee is payable in advance. By knocking on my doorbell, you are agreeing to my terms and conditions as stated above. No soliciting.
That's crazy.
Davin, start it up. That's stock. Barely. Perfect. What's it like under there?
Not crusty.
It's not crusty?
No, here. Let me go.
Bro, we just took it on a massive dust road, but washed it. I told him, let's not wash it, but we wanted to be nice. Well, Cardin did. Your exhaust looks a little messed up right now, dog.
Gavin, too many.
Oh, it's touching the ground. That's not good, bro. You're gonna have sparks.
Oh, bad. Shooting flame. Shooting flame.
Flame shoot.
Get the angles of me greasing.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Time for birth.
Don't drip it in your face. It's dripping.
Oh, yeah. Here it is.
It's finally free.
That's one.
It does not look anywhere near as good as the new one.
Do you think I could sell that?
Yes. But if you're going to sell the car, I would keep it. Because
yeah.
we're about to do a start with no, well, exhaust past the axle. Yeah, that sounds pretty good.
Is it even legal like that?
Does it have the catalytic converter?
Yeah.
Oh, then yeah, it's legal.
Bro, just take this off. Don't you, bro, you wasted $800.
Not bad.
That's pretty good. That's nice. So now we are going to take Cardin's car for a drive with no exhaust past the axle. This is how it sounds. I love it. I can't wait for when we put the axle back on. Now we have the axle back, exhaust off. We're about to start it up and see what it sounds like with no exhaust on it. Davin just taught us a little trick.
If you hold it right in between park and reverse, so where neither of the, see, like park is on and reverse is on, hold it right in between where there's nothing.
Hold on, hold on. Oh boy.
No way. A lot of smoke.
Oh my gosh.
That burns a lot of oil.
That's oil.
Uh-oh, actually that might be really bad.
Is that coolant burning?
It's oil. I smell it. It's oil. Why is there so much oil? Let's consult.
Well,
Hello, you supercharged piece of... Beep.
Bro, that's your hoodie, bro. Bro, you're just ruining it.
It's flat.
You're ruining it. Is it bad?
It's got enough oil.
If it's burning oil, it has oil.
BMW 2022.
Why are your valve springs out?
It's leaking oil.
That doesn't fix it. That makes it worse, right?
That's not what the forums told me.
So you took your valve springs out, bro? Huh? Sheesh. Looks like an RCF now.
I don't think it'll
Baby. I just want to touch it.
Just rub it.
Get my fingerprints all over it. Stay there. Sheesh. Dang.
Match the bodywork.
Now the exhaust is on. I'm about to hear what this car sounds like for the very first time with Cardin's new axle back. Here we go. Oh! That sounds good. That's loud. That's pretty good. I like that.
I love it! God damn! I love it. Wait, so now? That definitely gets out.
Oh! What do you think of it? Really starting to like it now, Cardin.
Me too.
Starting to make me want this car. That sounds pretty good.
It tones it down. It doesn't have that VQ vibe.
Yes.
It's
way better. Way better. I love a good sound.
I'm so happy right now, bro.
Dude, that sounds sick.
God.
Love a good sound.
Now shift the second, shift late.
Yes.
That's good, dude.
That's nice, sir.
Yes.
Good job, Davin. Good job.
Good job, Davin. Thank you, Davin. This is why you modify cars. Never, ever leave them stock. You have to modify them. It's just boring stock.
So much better.
Nice. Thank you.
Alright, I haven't stood behind it, so let me go rev it. Dude, that's like muscle, man. I like it.
It's
Dude,
good.
That's sweet.
Yes, I love the sound now. This stock, I love it.
It's spitting something.
Is this straight pipe?
No, there's still a big resonator.
Supposed to do that?
My car did that.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Horsepower down.
Oh my goodness. Crikey. Crikey. My goodness, man. My goodness. Gotta navigate through the parking where the party is at. Ooh.
You have a lot of space on the right.
Here we go.
You ready?
Yeah.
Bro, your mom is like having the
Mom's
best time
balling,
driving this every day, bro.
Just listen for the... So fast that tiny little turbo speed.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
That is so aggressive.
She stayed.
Beautiful C4. Love the red interior. You fit the entire roof because it's a Targa top in the back right here. Crossfire injection V8. Where's your airbag?
I don't know.
There isn't one in the C4 Corvette. This reminds me of the 80s, man. 944. Oh, quite a bit of torque.
Oh yeah.
Feel it jolting. I'm nervous to drive a car like this. I just think it's gonna break.
Yeah. That's kind of the fun of this one, is like,
You can fix it.
break and fix, break and fix.
Yeah.
It's got so much torque, it just like snaps to you. You don't need like new fast cars to have fun.
Right. I mean, there's no horsepower. It's all torque. It's the truck engine.
Oh man, what a life. What a life.